Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Oklahoma Gas and Electric EV Charging Resources. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register for Oklahoma Gas and Electric EV Charging Resources, start by visiting their official website. Look for the section dedicated to electric vehicles or EV charging. Click on the link that mentions EV charging stations or resources. You will find information about available charging options. Locate the registration or sign up button on this page. Click on the registration button to begin the process. Fill in your personal information as prompted, including your name and address. Next, enter your email address and create a strong password. Ensure that your password meets the security criteria provided. Once your personal details are filled out, review the terms and conditions. Check the box to agree to the terms before proceeding. Select any additional options or preferences for your EV charging setup. Click on the Submit button to complete your registration. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after. Open your email inbox and find the confirmation message. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. After verification, log back into the Oklahoma Gas and Electric website using your credentials. You can now access the EV charging resources and locate the nearest charging stations. Explore the features available to make the most out of your EV experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.